The Children's Services tax in Platte County has a new twist tonight. Democratic House Minority Leader Ashley Aune has filed a bill that would close a loophole the county commission used to avoid implementing the sales tax.
56% of voters in the county supported that tax. Fox 4's Jonathan Katz joins us live from Platte City after talking to the county's presiding commissioner. John?
Yeah, Republican presiding commissioner Scott Fricker had not heard about this situation until we called him about it today. Ashley Aune filed that legislation on Thursday, but came out with this press release earlier this morning. Democratic House Minority Leader Ashley Aune has filed a bill to close what she calls a legal loophole that allowed the Platte County Commission to reject implementing a quarter-cent youth mental health care sales tax. The commission said that because of the way state law is worded, counties may implement a children's services tax, but they don't have to if they don't want. She says her bill clarifies that if a county's voters approve establishing a tax like the one they did in November, county officials must implement the tax. Fox 4 was not able to talk to Aune on camera Monday, but she did send out a statement saying, quote, "When voters agree to tax themselves to protect the welfare of children, their wishes must be respected. Elected officials who don't like an electoral outcome should have no ability to thwart it. My legislation simply closes a legal loophole to guarantee the will of voters is carried out." Besides Aune's bill, supporters of the Platte County tax have sued them to try to make them implement it.
Their base is screaming about this, so I understand that they need to do something. And the other similarity is that neither one really has much of a chance of success.
Fricker pointed us back to a study the Platte County Health Department came out with 2 months ago. Fricker's opposition on this issue, Dennis Meyer of the mental health agency Synergy Services, said that the improvement at the time was very small. Monday, Fricker said there's no mental health crisis in Platte County.
In my view, a manufactured problem.
Really?
Yes. It's a manufactured problem so that...
Even though the majority of the voters would probably, would disagree, the majority of the voters would disagree with that.
The majority of the people who voted on that day obviously disagree with that. I represent everybody in Platte County, and most people don't vote, as we all know.
Fricker said Platte County pays $3 million a year to the Clay Platte Ray Mental Health Board already.